In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Discord on a computer. Opening Discord on a computer is quick and easy, whether you prefer using the desktop application or your web browser. If you already have the Discord desktop app on your computer, look for the Discord icon on your desktop, in your Start menu on Windows, or in your Applications folder on Mac OS. Click the Discord icon to launch the application and wait a few moments for it to load. If you don't use the desktop app, you can also access Discord through your web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to the official Discord website. From there, choose the option to open Discord in your browser. This lets you access your account without using the desktop app. Once Discord opens, you'll need to sign in if you're not already logged in. Enter your account credentials and complete any required verification if prompted. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main Discord interface, where you can access your servers, direct messages, and account settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the list of servers you've joined. Clicking any server opens its channels, allowing you to browse conversations, join voice channels, or participate in community discussions. If you want to chat privately with someone, select the Direct Messages section to view your conversations and send messages. If you're using Discord for the first time on that computer, it's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The gear icon next to your username opens User Settings, where you can customize your profile, adjust notifications, change appearance settings, configure audio and video options, and manage your privacy preferences. Before joining a voice or video call, you may also want to confirm that your microphone, speakers, and camera are working properly. You can test these devices from the Voice and Video section in User Settings to help ensure everything is ready before you start communicating with others. Whether you're using Discord to chat with friends, collaborate with classmates, or participate in online communities, opening it on your computer gives you access to all of its core features in one place. After you've signed in and everything is set up, you're ready to start messaging, joining voice channels, and connecting with your communities. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,